Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace your heating valve on your Porsche 718. And here we also have electric water pump. And I also will replace this small air valve. And let's get started. I will replace this heater valve, and behind of this here's our electric water pump. Here, yeah, just that part. And let me show you the valve working system. And here's our electric water pump. I need to take off it. And as you can see, our water leakage looks like coming from electric water pump because the cover has too many the coolant water. I already replaced this one, and we need to replace this one too. And I replaced these three air valves. One is here, one is here for the water pump, this one, and one is the behind of it. It's better to replace all of them. And I installed the electric water pump correctly, as you can see.